Other functions in setting. This course will be divided in 5 parts: trajectory record, controller name and IP setting, import and export, fault diagnosis, security zone. The course duration is around 10 minutes and the main goals are the following: able to import and export programs and profiles, able to set up communication with external devices, be aware of trajectory record, the fault diagnosis, and set up the security zone. Trajectory record. The trajectory record provides the function to record the robot track in a certain time. Then click play the record with the track record instruction in program. Let's have a look at the video, see how to use this function. In the trajectory record of program setting, click the plus icon to start recording the motion. Then we could teach the robot via manual joystick or drag mode. Click stop to complete recording. In the trajectory record screen, we could edit the path file name. Then, in the programming control, add trajectory record instruction and select the path we just added. Run the program, the robot path we just dragged will be reproduced. Change robot IP and name. In the initial screen of setting system, we can change the robot name. Input in a rectangle the name you want to give to the robot and then click confirm. Change robot IP address. Enter the system setting page, edit the robot IP in the network setting. Two modes are provided: auto-assigned IP and static IP. Regarding the version 2.1 controller, the IP of the LAN port at the front controller default IP is 10.5.5. something. External devices connected to this port shall be assigned in the range of 10.5.5.101 to 10.5.5.254. While the LAN port at the bottom of the controller default setting is DHCP, in case of a fixed IP is required, tick the option, use the following IP address, and input the new IP. Note that those two ports IP must be two different networks. Regarding the minicab controller, the LAN 2 port default setting is DHCP. And the LAN port at the front of the controller default IP is 10.5.5. something. The IP of external devices connected to this port shall be assigned in the range of 10.5.5.101 to 10.5.5.254. Import and export data. Open the System Backup option in the System Settings. Tick the profile types, click Export File button and select the destination for exporting. Click the Import File button, select the corresponding compressed file for importing. Let's go through the video of import and export profiles. In System Backup screen, we could select the profiles for exporting. Click the Export button, find the destination in local disk for exporting. In case of import, click the import button at local compressed file, click confirm. The profile will be then imported. Program file import and export. Click the folder icon in Programming Control page. The export and import button can be found on the top right of the pop-up window. Let's watch the video for exporting and importing program files. Click the folder buttons and then click the export button. Select the program files you need to export. Click confirm. Select the destination to export the program files. When you click on the import button, you can select the local compressed file. Click confirm to import the program files. The zip extension can be selected to open a program into the Jackazu app. Fault diagnosis. In case of robot fault occurred, the controller will record the fault automatically and save it as a file name with the time occurred. In case of collecting the robot data during robot running, clicking the left button in the operation option, the controller will also record the operating data during normal running. Set for start fault diagnosis manually are below. 1. Enter the fault diagnosis screen under General Setting. 2. Click the Start Fault Diagnosis icon on the top right corner. Click Stop Fault Diagnosis icon to stop. After diagnosis reported generated, click the icon beside the file to report it. Let's have a look at the video of fault diagnosis. In this video, in the fault diagnosis page of operating setting, click the default diagnosis button to start and record for a period. Then click stop to complete the diagnosis process. A file will be generated in the fault diagnosis page. Then you can click the export icon and select the local path for export. Security zone. Find the security zone option in safety setting. As the right side picture, there are 6 security planes can be set, from plane 1 to 6. Each plane is combined with 3 points. With setting the plane point 1 to 3, the plane is divided in 2 sides. And the security point will define each side is safe for operation. This course ends here. Thanks for watching.